In this video today, I'm going to show you two apps that pay you up to 5,000 naira daily. Now, these two websites pay you directly without investment. That means you don't need to invest 1,000 naira to get 2,000 naira on this platform. You don't need to stress yourself for you to earn money on this platform. For everything you do on this platform is based on your own discretion. The flexibility that is offered on this platform is top notch, and you are paid directly into your local bank account. As you can see here, it says they support bank transfer, which is one of the available payment methods, and you can withdraw your money with a low minimal withdrawal of 150 naira. They also support cryptocurrencies. As you can see here, it says they support provide cryptocurrency payment worldwide, transaction in Bitcoin, Dogecoin, minimum of 1,000 naira, and they also have a faucet pay with a low minimum withdrawal of 150 naira. Talking about their Trustpilot review, they have a 4.5 star rating on Trustpilot. Now, before we continue, my name is Basi Ejipajan. I'm a medical student in the University of Calabar. On my channel, we'll talk about how you can make money online as a total big. So if you love content like this, please don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button so that you can continue getting updates anytime I drop videos like this, and so that you can also help me grow. And just like I've said, in this video today, I'm going to show you two platforms that pay you 5,000 naira daily without investment. All what you just have to do is to go on to your browser of your choice, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Firefox, Opera Mini, and dial in this keyword known as PayRoute with a URL of payroute.online, and you'll be taken to this user interface. All what you just have to do to sign up on this platform is to click on this box which is a sign up, and you'll be able to sign up on this platform. For you to know more about this platform, you just need to scroll down, and you can see here what they offer. They say they are robust and user-friendly platform that simplifies online earning, making it both easier and more delightful. As you can see, it says with PayRoute, you can also enhance your social media presence by promoting your website, your YouTube videos, your blogs, and social media handles, all at an affordable price. And these are all from genuine human traffic. And you can see also every user on PayRoute undergoes verification to eliminate bots and spammers. And also it says PayRoute offers dedicated and fast customer support for both earners and advertisers. You can see that these are some of the earning features on PayRoute. It says you can experience swift withdrawals on this platform within just 24 hours of your request, and their withdrawal process is quicker than you anticipate, directly into any Nigeria bank account with a minimum withdrawal of only 150 naira. There are various ways you can also earn money on this platform. You can earn money by watching videos. You can also earn money by participating in paid clicks, exploring offer walls, claiming codes, or even referring other people. There is no limit to how you can earn money on this platform. There's also a bonus reward program where you can also earn free points based on your activities and your earning. Also, this platform have an exceptional customer care support. So if I'm to show you how you can go about this platform, just click on sign up here, and you see how you can be able to sign up on this platform. To sign up on this platform is absolutely very legit. You just have to give in your full name, your username, your email address, your phone number, which is optional, your password. You confirm your password and you click on sign up. For me, that I already have what did I call it? I'm already signed up on this platform. What I just have to do is I can decide to go back because I already have an account on this platform. Or what I just have to do is to give in my username, the username I'm using in this platform. It says enter your account username. You give in your username and you give in your password, and you'll be able to start making money on this platform. So just check it out. For us that are yet to sign up, these are the details you need: your full name, your username, your email address, your phone number, which is optional, your password, and you confirm your password, and you click on sign up, and you'll be taken to the interface where you just have to perform very simple tasks and you will earn money. Now, you don't need your money to reach 1,000 naira before you can withdraw, or you don't need your money to reach a big money before you'll be able to withdraw your money. All what you just need is for your money to just hit up to 150 naira, and you will just withdraw it directly into your local bank account. So that is it for the first platform on the list. Let's head on now to the second platform. So the second platform on the list is known as Speedwork. Paidwork is a platform that allows you to make money online on your phone, computer, and tablet, and you will get paid wherever you are without investment on this platform. This platform is available on the App Store for the iPhone users, and it's also available on the Google Play Store for Android users. If you want to check their Trustpilot review, they have a 4.5 star rating on Trustpilot with a 36,639,000 reviews on Trustpilot. As you can see here, they are trusted by a lot of brands like Google, AppMob, AppLovin, Awin, Unity, Meta, British, TikTok, and a lot of them. Now, this is a platform that promises you that is going to turn your time into profit. As you can see, these are some of the benefits you earn on this platform. It says Paidwork is a full-time or additional job for all people from every country. You can earn money on any device with access to the internet. Wherever you are, you will get paid for your time spent and engagement on this platform. Now, everything on this platform is under your own control. You can choose how you want to earn money by playing games on this platform, by completing surveys, by watching videos, by even shopping online and creating accounts. You'll be able to earn on this platform, and by completing your simple tasks in just a month, you can earn up to $700 without any additional taxes or charges. However, there's no limit to your earning. You decide how much you can be able to earn, how much you want to earn on this platform known as Paidwork. So this platform also, you can also decide to increase your earning. Let's assume you are a 9 to 5 worker in your office, during your break time in the bus, when you're on your way to work. Instead of wasting your mobile time, your precious time by just pressing your phone, you can decide to invest it on this platform, and you are sure of increasing your earning. Now, this platform makes sure that making money is easier than ever, and there are some of the reviews that they have on Trustpilot. As you can see, yes, it says good apps pays really, is not a scam. I've earned $10 on this platform. So there are a lot of reviews on this platform. You can also scroll down to the bottom of this platform where you get to see the referral program, or you also get to see their cashback if you go for shopping and the rest. Just like I said, how you can earn money on this platform is limitless. You can also click on the About Us for you to know more about this platform known as Paidwork. So these are the two platforms in which can pay you up to $5,000 daily directly into your bank account, your local bank account, First Bank, Access Bank, without any investment. That means they don't require any money from you before they can give you money. All what they just need is your dedication to have extra side hustles to increase your earning. If you love this video, please don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button so that you can continue getting updates anytime I drop videos like this, and so that you can also help me grow. And until I see you in my next video, I really love you. Thank you.